In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to restart Print Spooler service in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc. Once you have typed that, click on OK to continue, and in a few moments you would be able to bring up the services window. Now from here, you need to select any of the service and system, type P in your keyboard so that you would be navigated easily to the location where you can see the print spooler. Okay, so once you are here at the print spooler, please make a right click, go with properties. Okay, and first you need to ensure that the startup type is in automatic. And then if the service status has been stopped, okay, you need to start the service so that the service status will mark here running. Once you've set it, please click on apply and then OK. So since the goal or the target of this video is to restart the print spooler, then by that you need to make a right click and click on restart. In that way you would be able to restart the print spooler. Or either you can navigate to the left side of that, you can see the restart the service, click on this one, and it will now start the restarting. Once done, close the window and navigate to the start and then restart your PC as well. Okay? You may wonder why we need to restart. Okay? Even if we only wanted to restart the Print Spooler service. So we need to restart in order to make any changes and in order to take the actions to take an effect, restart your computer, and in that way you would be able to completely restart your Print Spooler service. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.